Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you will also go down into the playlist and make sure that you visit the all of the other creators who participated in this collaboration. So again, this is the Family Heirloom Collab 2020. Now the host is the lovely Ellen, and her channel is Glamour Ellen. I am one of the co-hosts. Again, I'm Candy of DIY Design by CCW. Then there's Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and Shangie of Shangie Living Life to the Fullest. Now, please, if you would, go down and find their channels. I left links in the description box. Make sure you show them some love today. I promise you, you will not regret it. Now, briefly, I wanted to share just a little bit of the backstory of the tablescape that I did for you today. Again, this was the family heirloom collab, so I am dedicated my tablescape to my grandmother and my great-grandmother. Now I'm using our vintage family china, and it's been in the family for generations. And also some of the other pieces there, such as the silver tray, those are just pieces that we've had and we've passed them down, and I wanted to share them with you today. Now, there are a couple pieces on the table that aren't vintage, but they're heirlooms to me because they were gifts, such as the bud vase and the little crystal bell. So that's the backstory. And again, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, go down and visit the playlist. Go down and visit all of the hosts and the co-hosts. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I really hope you'll do that today. I hope you'll tap the notification bell a couple of times as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening. And you know what I'm going to say. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.